Hi guys, welcome back to Crafternoon. I have a great treat for you today. You know how I love making cards? Well, I have a card that you can make a horse or a unicorn. Okay? So all you're going to need is a glue stick, some washi tape or regular tape, and some crayons to color with. You could do markers or pencils, anything you got. Okay? And then I'm going to give you the rest of it. So let's get started. What you're going to do is you're going to start out with this whole piece of paper and you're going to fold it. And this is going to be the base of your card. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all cut out. That's the base of your card. That's like your horse's head, your unicorn head. Isn't that pretty cool? So you're going to get two pieces for the ears. You're going to get a horn in case you want to make it a unicorn. You're going to get the muzzle, so that's like the nose of the horse. And what my suggestion is to color first. So I colored my horn rainbow because I'm going to make a rainbow unicorn. And then my unicorn is going to have pink inside the ears. And I think the nose is going to be pink too. Let's do that. Just like my horse over here. I really like how that turned out. Okay, so this is the big part of the ear. I already cut that out. And then I still have to cut these pieces out. So I'm going to cut out my rainbow horn here. So you're going to have all these pieces included in your bag when you come to get them. They'll be up by Miss Joni in our Crafternoon basket. It's labeled for you. Let's see. I just find it a lot easier if you color before you cut. I think it's a little easier. You guys can do it your way. Any way you want. There's no wrong way to do art, huh? It's just all creative. Let's see. And the little part of the ears. And then, let's see. So these little guys, these little pink parts go right inside the big part of the ear, like that. And we got one more to go. And then we can start assembling our card. Okay, so handy dandy glue stick. Just like my horse over here, I am going to put my ears together, glue, and then put this together like this. My other ear. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the ears and the horn to the unicorn. So we're going to do just the edge of the ears, and I put my ears behind, and I press down so glue sticks because I got my handy dandy purple glue stick that dries clear. Oopsie, see what I did there? Oops. And then my horn, I'm actually going to put up front like this. So let's put glue on the edge, and then put that there. And then this is the muzzle, so the nose. I'm going to glue the muzzle. And then I'm going to attach it here. I'm going to take my handy dandy black crayon So I did eyes over here. Let's do eyes for this from unicorn. And then we'll put little like half circles for the nose of the unicorn. I think for fun, I'm going to put eyelashes on my unicorn. So there's my unicorn. And here is a version in case you wanted to do like a brown horse. You could totally do a brown horse. You could do a regular kind of horn. So these are the packages you're going to come look for at Patterson Library. They'll be at Joni's desk and they'll be ready for you. I can't wait to see what you guys make. I hope you like it. Bye.